Today we're going to show you how a demonstration of how Xero connects with Maralytics and how to track your promotional or marketing stream. So what we're going to have a look at is a promotion. I'm just going to say a word of mouth where you may get people coming in. So for your business. So let's have a look at setting up this campaign so we can track how many people come in from that word of mouth campaign. All right, so this one is actually not going to cost you any money because a word of mouth is always free. So we're just going to add and continue. And this is where we are going to connect to Xero. So let's put in Xero and we've got word of mouth and create the connection. Now I am already logged into my Xero account. Otherwise, it will get you to set up. Now, this is allowing access. I am using a demo account for my Xero account. So we use multiple different types of accounts to do our testing. So here is we're in now the POS management. The integration or the connection has now been done successfully. We can see it's with Xero. We've got our store name, we've got our campaign ID and our campaign name, and it is come through successfully. So let's have a look now. So here is our campaign. All right, we've got our campaign details, our cost. So let's go now to doing a transaction. So we're going to create an invoice now for a customer, and they've told us that they've come in, by a referral. So let's just create a contact. This one will do. Due date coming next week, and in this reference is where we're going to be putting this campaign ID. So we can copy it from here. You may have different types of ways to track people. So this is where we want to track it. So let's say I'm just going to put this down as marketing services. Let's say they've spent $200. All right, so here's our transaction, and we are going to approve that. So there we go. The invoice has been sent, and now we want to do a payment. So it's going to go from that, and then that will push the transaction through. So we've now got that invoice has been set up and paid with the reference ID. So now we're going to go back to our campaign and just refresh, and you can see the sales have already come in here. So you can have a look at the individual transactions under the track sales page. So we just click on this one and it will show all the individual transactions. But if we want to have a look at an overview for the campaign, then we can go to the campaign result. Here is our sale. We've had one customer, didn't cost us anything, so we have 100% profit and a great ROI. So that is how we connect with Xero to track your campaigns or track your promotions, marketing promotions from where you're attracting customers. Thank you. That's it.